today we have a ton of caterings that are due this week. 150 blizzards, 90 cupcakes, 250 cupcakes, and then 300 blizzards for different orders. I'm about to decorate the 90 Christmas cupcakes so we can free up some freezer space so we can get the 250 in here setting up. But yeah, got our work cut out for us today. Let's see how much we can get done today. Try to dip the snowman again. Hopefully it works out better this time. it a day. We finished the 150 blizzards, the 90 cupcakes, and the 250 cupcakes. Let's go. The awesome crew finished most of it, let's be honest, but glad that is off the list. Now to start on the other stuff. Not tomorrow though, it's an off day the next day. But yeah, let's call it a day. Let's get young. First I'm gonna do a haul from what I got at the Christmas party yesterday with a Dirty Santa game and then like an employee game. And then I need to catch up on my advent calendar. It's time. I don't know how y'all remember to do it every day. There's too much going on. I don't have time. I have a glass of wine. It's my weekend. I just did a spray tan situation, hence looking a little crazier than normal. If you're feeling ugly, I highly suggest doing that. Like, as soon as I feel like disgusted with myself, that's the first thing I do. Tomorrow, I'll be a whole new person. Okay, first, this is the gift I got in the Dirty Santa thing. I got the Bath & Body Works Sweeter Together Warm Vanilla, like mini set. I really like this vanilla scent, but like normally I'm not a huge vanilla girl. You never know when you need one, brother. And then in like the employee game, there's tissue paper on top. I haven't thrown it away yet. Really wanted the Awala. Didn't get it, but that's okay. A ping pong ball, a rogue ping pong ball fell. I got like, looks like the Costco, or it might be Sam's. I think it's Costco though. Like a really fuzzy blanket, faux fur blanket. I mean, you can never have enough blankets. Should be nice. And then peanut M&Ms. The goat. Put them in the freezer, brother. I can't stop saying brother. I wish I could. Advent calendar time. Yay. My favorite. Okay, let's try to do this so you can see what's going on. What day is it? Today's the 9th, so I'm gonna open up the 8th because I think I missed that one. Can you see? I really don't want to move the camera, but I probably should, huh? Hold on. Okay, the 8th. Dun 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 dun. Oh, nice. Clinique Moisture Surge. Cool. Throw it in the thing. And then number 9. Oh, my finger's stuck. Number 9 is looks like a sheet mask. What kind of sheet mask? Cactus Soothing. Decent. I'm gonna be honest, I have a million sheet masks. And I also know myself and know I'm not gonna be able to do this tomorrow because that's who I am. So I'm gonna open number 10. It is it another fragrance? Oh, it's a cologne. Please hold, let's see. Can't smell. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking good. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm caught up on the Advent until, what day? Thursday, the 11th. So I will continue opening this if you're interested to see what's in the Macy's thing. But other than that, let's call it a night.